Welcome to the first episode. Welcome to the first episode of
Shooting the...
Wait, what? Shooting the...
Stuff?
I don't know. Shooting the...
Can we say that?
3. You have the... Oh. Hold on. Welcome to Shooting the Shit with Trenchless.
Dig up your house, don't dig your trenchless. We don't dig, we save you money, cause it's trenchless for life. We don't dig up your house, don't dig your trenchless. We don't dig, we save you money, cause it's trenchless for life. We don't dig up your house, your yard. We don't dig.
Hi, I'm Max, owner of the Trenchless company. Today I'm here with my wife Rachel.
And today we're showcasing a few of our technologies that our company offers, as well as a few of our team members back here. And we'd love it if you'd come along and shoot the shit with us in Davis.
Let's go.
Today I'm here in Davis with one of our Trenchless team members, Jason Fields. Jason, tell us just a little bit about what you do for Trenchless, how many years you've been here, and a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, I'm a crew lead at Trenchless, and I'm a crew lead for Trenchless. I've been here for about 2.5 years now, and it's been a great experience. Ever since the beginning, I've worked pretty hard and worked my way up, and I've been rewarded along the way. So I can't really complain at all. Yeah, I mean, I'm 27, so I feel like I'm still pretty young, and I got a long way to go. So this is a good place for me.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about this job today.
Yeah, so this job here is going to be a pipe burst. There's going to be 2 access points to begin the job, one at the city cleanout and one at the house cleanout.
Okay.
And essentially what a pipe burst is we run a cable through the old line and it pulls the new line behind it, bursting the old pipe along the way and laying the new pipe when we're done.
Does it upsize the pipe, or does the pipe stay the same size?
No, yeah, it stays the same size. If your existing sewer is 4-inch, it stays 4-inch.
Okay.
No seams, no transitions, nothing like that.
So tree roots will never grow through it again?
Nothing. It's poly pipe, so it's very strong.
Is it a warranty on this?
Yeah, there is a warranty on it.
Lifetime.
For sure. Lifetime warranty.
Awesome. And show us at the house.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Jason?
Hey, Max.
Hey, thanks for letting us drop in on the job site today. See what you're up to out here.
Yeah.
Go ahead and show us what you're doing at the house.
Yeah, so this is going to be the upstream portion. We're going to, in fact, shoot a liner because they're on a slab and we can't really dig in the house. That's not an option.
So what is a liner?
So a liner is pretty much a long felt sock that has a 2-part epoxy, and when you put water pressure to it, it takes the shape of the pipe and it pretty much creates a new seamless pipe.
Within the existing pipe.
Within the existing pipe, yes.
So that way you don't have to dig inside the home, inside on their floors, tile work, so nothing inside the house gets dug up on this project.
So this must save the homeowner a ton of money and a ton of time and headaches.
Exactly, 100%.
Absolutely. Well, hey man, great job out here. Thanks for letting us drop in on the job site today. I know you weren't planning on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and talk to the homeowner, get some feedback from her, make sure everything's going as planned, and again, I appreciate everything you're doing for us. Great job. Hey Joanne, how's it going?
Hi, I'm doing well. How are you doing, Matt?
I'm doing good, doing good. This is my wife Rachel.
Hi,
Hi,
nice
Rachel.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So as you know, we've been out here doing a little drop-in on our first episode of Shooting the Shit with Trenchless. And obviously you had some problems in the past. Just wanted to kind of ask you a few questions, like how did you, what was going on before we got here? And then, how did you find out about us and why did you choose us?
Totally. Yeah, so I'll try to be brief. This all started 6 years ago when we moved into this house. It was literally within days of move-in, despite being told we had had a sewer scope, which we don't think actually happened. We frankly had sewage emerging on our front lawn.
Oh,
so
lovely.
That was delightful.
Welcome home.
Yeah, exactly. And so We learned a lot pretty quickly. We had it routed out. It turns out that there's root growth into the sewer line
Okay.
in the front of the house. And we've been, for the last 6 years, on and off dealing with that through having it routed anywhere from 1 to a few times per year. And we've been anticipating needing to do a pretty major sewer overhaul. And yeah, we've had multiple backups. I'll be perfectly frank. If you're talking about shooting the shit, we've experienced the shit in our showers multiple times, and we're pretty tired of it. So
Yeah.
we had 3 companies come out and give us quotes and talk about what they could do for our sewer lines. And we went with Trenchless, who seemed very professional. This is sort of exactly what they do. Sort of day in and day out. The quote was reasonable, and so what we're having done, to the best of my understanding, is kind of a pipe burst to refill with a new line out in the front, and then also a liner back into the house, because we do have root growth also inside the house, and that's what's causing our backups.
So when you found out about the liner option going back underneath the house, and we had a solution to that, I mean, that obviously is a great advantage of not having to dig up and work inside the house.
Exactly.
Everything's done out here, so.
Exactly, and also just the setup of our house is such that we have a small crawl space below the house, and so that's the only sort of access point would have to be sort of digging through that. It'd be basically impossible. It'd be a ridiculously expensive job.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, hey, I just wanted to say thank you for your time. Thank you for trusting us to take care of your job. These guys are awesome at what they do, and we really appreciate your business. And thanks for coming out and having a quick chat with us on our first episode.
Fabulous. Well, thanks so
you.
much for taking care of our
Make,
shit.
make sure you like our Trenchless Company page, and you'll see our first episode. Thanks for being a part of it. I really appreciate it.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Max.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you.
Rachel,
So nice
yeah.
to meet you.
All right. All right. Thanks, guys.
Your house, don't go trenchless. We don't dig, we save you money, 'cause it's trenchless.
I'm here with another one of our Trenchless team members, Diego. Diego, how long have you been with Trenchless?
I've been with Trenchless for about a year now.
And what is your title?
My title is Apprentice 1.
Okay, and what did you do before you were with Trenchless?
I was in high school, so this is my first job.
Oh, cool. How did you hear about us?
My brother told me about it.
And he works for the Trenchless company?
Yes, he does.
Oh, cool. What does he do?
He does the lining department. He is a crew lead, so he
Awesome.
leads his own crew.
That's great. Okay, well, and tell me about your experience you're having now with Trenchless. Is it positive?
It's amazing. I get to learn a lot of different stuff, not only just the plumbing stuff, a lot of basic stuff like just hooking up a trailer, and it's really taught me a lot of things, like also discipline about, just work,
Yeah, that's great. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you for joining us on our first episode of Shooting the Shit with Trenchless. And thank you, Rachel, for coming out. What do you think of everything?
It's a really interesting job to visit. And I know as a homeowner, this could be really valuable. Like, our services at the Trenchless company are invaluable to homeowners. So thanks. We'll see you next time.
All right, thank you guys.
Bye.
Join us next time on the next episode of Shooting the Shit with Trenchless.
We don't dig, we save you money, 'cause it's trenchless, but life we don't dig up your house.